Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday, March 14 to Saturday, March 20, 2021. These are all digital and printable deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app, so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's look at the first deal. So my first deal is select Colgate toothbrush or mouthwash deal. Spend $12 on Colgate toothbrush and mouthwash and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. You can buy 2 Colgate manual toothbrush, 1 CT, it's $12.58. It's $6.29 each. Make sure to check which toothbrush is included because they say select Colgate toothbrush. Use one $3 off $12 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use $1 of Colgate toothbrush digital coupon, and also we have $1 of Colgate toothbrush printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $7.58 and get back $6 ECB for toothbrush or mouthwash. The final cost is only just $1.58 or 79 cents each. The next deal is Schick razor or refill deal. This one is exclude disposable. Buy 2 Schick razor and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Schick Hydro Schick woman razor, it's $9.99. Also you can buy 1 Schick Extreme 5 men pivot ball razor, it's $9.99. The totals come out $19.98. Use $5 of $20 any SaveCare CVS CRT. Also we have $3 of Schick Men Razor digital coupon, and also we have $3 of Schick Woman Razor digital coupon. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker. The next deal is Gillette and Venus razor or refill deal. Buy 2 Gillette or Venus razor and get back $8 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Venus woman razor, it's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Use $5 of $20 any razor or refill CVS CRT. Use $3 of Gillette or Venus razor CVS CRT. Also you can use $3 of Gillette Venus printable coupon on coupon.com. They have limit 1 per household. This coupon is no longer available. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Check if you didn't get the $3 of Gillette Venus printable coupon. Check on pngcoupon.com for another CVS Venus razor coupon. The next deal is any Claroil hair color deal. Buy 2 Claroil hair care and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Claroil nice and easy permanent hair color, it's $16.98. It's $8.49 each. Use $2 of 2 Claroil hair color CVS CRT. Use $5 of 2 Claroil hair color printable coupon on coupon.com. Also we have $5 of 2 Claroil hair color digital coupon. This is possibly glitch. The total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $4.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is any CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy 2 CoverGirl product and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 CoverGirl Pro or eye maker eyeliner, it's $12.98. It's $6.49 each. Also you can buy 1 CoverGirl Clean Matte Concealer, it's $7.79. The totals come out $20.77. Use $6 of $20 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use $3 of CoverGirl Eye printable coupon on coupon.com. This coupon is no longer available. Use $3 of CoverGirl Eye digital coupon. Also we have $3 of CoverGirl Face digital coupon. The total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $5.77 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus 23-cent money maker. The next deal is Maybelline Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Maybelline Expert Wear Twin Eye Pencil, it's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Use one $2 of Maybelline New York product digital coupon. This coupon is attached with this twin pencil. Also, you can use one $2 of Maybelline New York product printable coupon on coupon.com. Pay or roll $5.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal is L'Oreal Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 L'Oreal Paris Voluminize Original Mascara, it's $19.58. Also, you can buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Lipstick, it's $10.79. The totals come out $30.37. Use one $10 of $30 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Eye digital coupon. Also, we have one $3 of any L'Oreal Paris printable coupon on coupon.com. Also, we have one $3 of any L'Oreal Paris digital coupon. The total coupon is $18. Pay or roll $12.37 and get back $5 ECB plus $3 beauty reward. The final cost is only just $4.37 or $1.45 each. The next deal is Neutrogena facial care, skin care or cosmetic deal. So make sure every time they have only just Neutrogena cosmetic, but this time they have facial care and skin care. And this one it's also part of the $10 household CVS cash card deal. So make sure you can check which product it's included. Buy 2 Neutrogena cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Neutrogena lip pencil, it's $23.58. It's $11.79 each. Use buy one get one free Neutrogena Hydro Boost Foundation Stick Lip Pencil CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 of Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT. The total coupon is $14.79. Pay or roll $8.79 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.79 or $1.39 each. The next deal is Select Suava Hair Care deal. Buy 2 Suava Hair Care and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Suava Professional Shampoo 12.6 OZ, it's $6. It's 2 for $6. Use one $2 of 2 Suava Hair Care CVS CRT. Pay or roll $4 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is only just $1 each. Check on Sunday for Manufacturer Digital if we got any. The next deal is Garnier Fructis Shampoo and Conditioner deal. Buy 2 Garnier shampoo and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $7. Buy 2 Garnier Fructis Shampoo 12.5 OZ, it's $7. Use one $3 of Garnier Fructis Shampoo and Conditioner digital coupon. This is possibly glitch. Also, you can use one $3 of Garnier Fructis Shampoo Conditioner printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $6. Pay or roll $1 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. The next deal is Garnier Facial Care deal. Buy 2 Garnier Facial Care and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $15.58. Use $2 of Garnier Micellar or Green Lab CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 of Garnier Skin Active or Green Lab product digital coupon, and also you can use one $2 of Garnier Skin Active or Green Lab coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $7.58 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.58 or $1.29 each. The next deal is Olay facial care deal. If you want to do this deal, if you have this $5 of $30 facial care CVS CRT, then you can do this deal. Otherwise, you can skip this deal. Spend $35 on Olay facial care and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Olay collagen peptide moisturizer. It's $59.98. It's $29.99 each. You can use two $5 of $30 any facial care CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $5 of Olay facial care moisturizer CVS CRT. Also, we have one $10 of 2 Olay facial moisturizer digital coupon. The total coupon is $25. Pay or roll $34.98 and get back $10 ECB plus $6 beauty reward. The final cost is only just $18.98 or $9.49 each. The next deal is Remedy Dermatology Lotion deal. Buy one Remedy Dermatology Moisturizer Body Lotion 3 OZ, it's $4.99. Use one $5 of Remedy Dermatology Lotion CVS app only coupon. Pay or roll nothing out of pocket. The final cost is free. The next deal is Household Deal Scenario 1. Spend $30 on household and get back $10 CVS gift card. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer. It's $19.99. Also, you can buy one Neutrogena Skin Balancing Gel Cleanser. It's $10.99. The totals come out $30.98. Use one $5 of $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Use two $6 of L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 of Neutrogena Facial Care Instant Coupon on Coupon Center. It's available on March 14th. Also, you can use one $3 of Neutrogena Skin Balancing Cleanser CVS CRT. The total coupon is $23. Pay or roll $7.93 and get back $10 ECB plus $3 beauty reward. The final cost is free plus $2.02 money maker. The next deal is Household Deal Scenario 2. Spend $30 on household item and get back $10 CVS gift card. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one Tide Liquid 92 OZ, it's $11.94. Also, you can buy one Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT, it's $11.94. Also, in this deal, you can buy Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipe 25 CT, it's $7.49. The totals come out $31.37. Use one $3 of $12 any Tide or Tide Pod CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Tide Liquid digital coupon. Use one $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon. Also, we have one $3 of Neutrogena instant coupon on Coupon Center. It's available on March 14th. The total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $19.37 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $9.37 or $3.12 each. The next deal is Pamper and Easy Up Diaper Deal. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $20. Buy 2 Pamper Jumbo Pack Diaper. It's 16 to 32 CT. It's $20. Use one $3 of 2 Pamper Diaper digital coupon. Also, you can use one $4 of $20 Baby Care CVS CRT. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $13 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $8 or $4 each. The next deal is Stay Free, Carefree and Playtex and OB Deal Scenario 1. Spend $12 and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. Buy one OB Pro Comfort Tampon, it's $4.49. It's $8.99 each, but it's buy one get one 50% off. Also, you can buy one Playtex Sport tampon. It's 32 to 40 cc. It's $9.49. The totals come out $13.98. Use one $2 of $12 paid liner CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 of 2 Stay Free Playtex or OB digital coupon. It's available on March 14th. Also, you can use one $4 of OB tampon CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 of Playtex tampon CVS CRT. The total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $1.98 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. The next deal is Stay Free, Carefree and Playtex and OB deal scenarios 2. Spend $12 and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. Buy one Stay Free Maxi Pad with Wing, it's $7.99. Also, you can buy one Stay Free Maxi Pad with Wing, it's $3.99. It's buy one get one 50% off. The totals come out $11.97. Use one $3 of $2 on Stay Free digital coupon. It's available on March 14th. Use one $2 of $12 paid liner CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Stay Free paid liner CVS CRT. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $3.97 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just 97 cents or 48 cents each. The next deal is any Flonase or Sensimate allergy relief spray deal. This deal you can do only Sunday. Spend $15 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Flonase allergy relief nasal spray 60 count, it's $16.99. Use one $5 of Flonase or Children Flonase digital coupon. This coupon is expired on March 14th. Pay or roll $11.99 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $6.99 each. The next deal is food deal. If you have this $5 of $25 any food CVS CRT, buy 2 Oreo cookie family size 10 to 20 OZ, it's $7. It's 2 for $7. You can buy 2 Just the Basic water, it's $5.98. It's $2.99 each. Also, you can buy 2 Brookside pouches 5.7 OZ, it's $6. Also, you can buy 2 Easter MMM 8 to 10.9 OZ, it's $6. It's 2 for $6. The totals come out $24.98. Use one $5 of $25 any food CVS CRT. Also, you can use $1 of 2 Oreo cookie CVS CRT. Also, if you have $1 of 2 Nabisco cookie included Oreo Nutter Butter CVS CRT. Also, you can use $2 of 2 Just Basic Water 6, 12 or 24 pack CVS CRT. Also, you can use $1 of 2 MMM chocolate digital coupon. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $14.98 and get back $1 ECB for Brookside candy and get back $1 ECB for MMM. The final cost is only just $12.98 or $1.62 each. But make sure just check Just the Basic water, it's 30% off, yeah or not, before purchase. The next deal is Arizona tea deal. It's on sale 4 for $2. Buy 12 Arizona sweet tea, it's $6. Use $1 of $5 any beverage purchase CVS CRT. Pay or roll $5. The final cost is only just 42 cents each. The next deal is Cadbury Egg, Mini Egg or Hershey's Egg Candy deal. Buy 2 candy and get back $1 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $2. Buy 2 Cadbury Mini Egg 1.5 OZ, it's $2. Use $1 of 2 instant coupon on Coupon Center printed on March 7th. Pay or roll $1 and get back $1 ECB. The final cost is free. The next and final deal is all the CVS brand is on sale 30% off with the CVS Extra Care card. So make sure if you want to buy something like on the CVS brand, you can get that coupon, or we have this coupon on the CVS app also. So if you grab like anything, you have a 30% off. So friend, this is my next week CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.